For quite some time now, guys, I've been wanting to do this to the car. I am going to be installing today a Ford Performance banner. This isn't the traditional white with red one y'all usually see everywhere. This is a matte black one with the Ford Performance cutout, so you'll see the Ford Performance transparent in the inside. And I'm pretty excited about this just because in the inside I'm gonna have a lot more shade, especially here in Texas in the summer. I'll have just this bit of shade right here. I do have these masking tapes on both sides just so I can guide myself, because here in Texas you see this little line right here, guys. We have to follow that because if the cop pulls me over and this banner is beyond this little line right here, I do get a citation for that. We have a lot of rules here, especially with the tint and stuff like that. I believe we have to have 25% in the front. We cannot have the front windshield tinted. I know a lot of people still do it. You can get away with it if you know maybe the right people, or if just the cops never pay attention to you. But you guys know, if you're driving something like this that looks modified, it is a cop attractor and it's a cop magnet, and they're gonna come after you. But this is the one I'm gonna be doing with today. This is the Ford Performance. I did get this off of eBay. I mean, they already started calling me the eBay king because a lot of the mods I get is off of eBay, but I wouldn't recommend them to you guys if I didn't think they were worth it. And this was like 20 bucks, and the regular Ford Performance one is like 50 bucks. So to me, this is a bit different, not the traditional one, and it's gonna look a lot cooler, and it's gonna help me on the summer from that sun and the UV rays. All right, guys, so we are officially done with the banner. Probably like a 7 out of 10 on the wrenches meter, man. It is kind of difficult, especially if you're doing it by yourself. I do recommend doing it with someone else. I called my brother out. He helped me out. Installation wise, like, my job personally is probably a 7 out of 10, maybe 7.5. Let me show you guys what went wrong here. Some bad cuts on my behalf. I don't know if y'all can see it right there. Up here, nothing crazy. I still have some water that I do need to take out, like right there. Super easy to take out there. The cuts up here weren't too bad. This side though is the side that I did pretty bad on. Another thing, the backing of the where's the paper, the white paper that was on top of here kind of left some residue here, so I'm gonna have to remove that. And I kind of tore off these edges here. I think the hair dryer, the heat gun, can help solve this right here. Just shrink it, and it'll be a little bit more minimal. You won't be able to see those nasty cuts like up here. It'll shrink it, but nonetheless, looks pretty good. A lot different. Let me show you guys in the inside how that looks. Look at that, super freaking cool. And here's the line. I'm actually just a bit on top of it. Y'all can see, or is it I don't know, y'all can see that line. There it is. Oh, it goes away. Anyways, yeah, it's on there. Looks pretty badass. I don't know if over there in y'all states y'all have that rule, or can y'all put the banner wherever you want. But here in Texas, we do have to be above that line to make it legal, and I was able to do it. Looks good. Should give me some shade, especially like I said, and summer's coming up here in Texas, and it does get hot. I mean, usually people put a tent here. Well, your boy put a banner, and it should block more light than the regular tent, or unless I get a freaking sunburn with Ford Performance on my hands. But that's gonna look pretty good. Looks a lot different. Looks really nice. I just need the black roof to complement it, so I'm thinking between gloss black or matte black to match the stripes all around the car. Matte black spoiler, the matte black trims everywhere. But I do like gloss. I don't know if the gloss might you know, contrast well with the matte black, but other than that, man, looks really clean in my opinion. Far away, it's gonna look good, no doubt about that. but once you start getting up there close is when you're gonna see those little bad cuts. One other thing, another complaint is that all this, I mean, it was a really easy install, but I had to install manually all these like center, like the O's, the R's, the center trims, ORA. But other than that, looks really, really good. We had rain all day, so I didn't know I was gonna be able to make this install for you guys. But like I said, summer's coming up, man. Or I mean, I'm already out for summer, so hopefully I have a lot of time to do more mods to the car and a lot more car stuff for you guys, bring more content. Do I recommend you guys doing it by yourselves? No. Next time maybe I'll take it somewhere else, but I mean, it was alright. Looks pretty good in my opinion. I'm gonna go ahead and maybe I'll go for some pictures. I really like the lighting, this cloudy lighting. I've never been able to edit good pictures with the sun, even though I have a like preset for sun pictures, but I just can't really manipulate the settings there. But when it comes to like this type of scenario with dark clouds and stuff like that, I can do a pretty good job. So I'm probably gonna go out and get some pictures with the new banner, see how that looks like. Did I just do a rice remove? I don't know, guys. Let me know if y'all would do this to your car. If you guys do plan on doing some vinyl work and stuff like that, or even tint, all you need is water and soap. You're gonna need a microfiber towel, maybe a X-Acto knife or any type of knife that can cut like exact corners, and a squeegee or a debit card, and that should be it, guys. A hair dryer, that way y'all can manipulate and just mess with the vinyl. If you guys did enjoy the video, make sure to smash that subscribe button, guys, and like the video, and I'll catch you on the next one. God bless.